Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply fix in your Linux Flatpak apps not launching. So it's a very simple process to fix this problem. Just follow my steps very carefully. Into the first image, we're going to check if the app is installed. You have to type this command and then simply check the app is rightly installed or not. Then you can simply check the internet connection by simply typing this command and simply run it. After, you can simply update your Flatpak and runtime. Simply type these two commands and then look to the output. If your output looking something like this, then outdated runtimes or apps can prevent launches. So for that, we have to repair the Flatpak installation. For that, we're going to type this command flatpak space repair and then simply look at the output. If it's look like this, then you are good to go. After, we have to check for sandbox error. Simply type this command and then simply see the output. After, you have to reset the Flatpak app. Simply type this command. Here you have to simply type the app ID or the app name, and then you can simply see the example output over here. After, you can simply check the runtime is installed. Simply use this command and then you can simply check the permission with the help of this command. After, you have to reinstall the app by simply type these two commands, Flatpak uninstall and Flatpak install, and then you can simply check the graphics driver issues by simply clicking on this command. Then you can simply check the system logs and then you can simply reboot your system. So I show you all the images because of that can help you to understand that the command and you can simply see the possible output. So pause and run the command into your terminal and see the output in serial by. If any steps is not working for you, don't worry, try the next one and simply complete to the 12th turn. Okay, so then after complete all of the steps, you can simply reboot your PC and I hope your problem will be solved. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.